If your home looks fine but somehow still feels cheap, it's probably not what you are adding, it's what you are keeping. Because the truth is, some everyday items quietly destroy the feeling of luxury in your space. And most people don't even notice them anymore. In this video, I will show exactly what you need to throw away. So your home feels instantly cleaner, more intentional, and more expensive. Before we start, take a moment and grab your coffee, because what you are about to say might completely change how you see your home. So let's dive in. Number 1. Matching glass decoration and cutlery sets. I know this might sound a little bit surprising, but when everything matches perfectly, the same glasses, the same plates, the exact same finishes, it starts to feel a little suspiciously perfect. Almost like it came straight out of a catalog where no one actually lives. And that's the problem, because instead of feeling warm and personal, your space starts to look mass produced, more like a showroom than a home. Honestly, at that point, you might just throw the matching glass decoration and cutlery sets out the window. Or at least hide them when guests come over. Believe me, real luxury doesn't try this hard. It's never about everything matching. It's about everything working together. There is always a bit of variation, a mix of texture, a slightly imperfect, curated feel that makes the space look collected over time, not both in one afternoon. So instead of going all in one matching set, try mixing things up a little. Combine glass with ceramic, pair matte finishes with something glossy. Play with different shapes and proportions. Let things feel intentional but not identical. Because the moment everything matches perfectly, it actually starts to look a little cheaper. And ironically, the more relaxed and layered it feels, the more expensive it looks. Number 2. Plastic chairs. Plastic chairs are practical, there is no argument there. But visually, they downgrade your space almost instantly. Put one in your dining area, balcony, or workspace, and suddenly everything feels a bit temporary. Like the room is waiting to become something else. They reflect light in that flat, slightly shiny way that just looks cheap, no matter how modern the design is. And instead of adding character, they make the whole space feels less intentional. Honestly, at some point, just do yourself a favor and throw them away. Or at least hide them before anyone sees them. Because, let's be real, plastic chairs always look like they're about to be stacked and taken away at any moment. If you want to elevate your space, start with seating. Swap them with wood, upholstered pieces, or textured metal. Something with depth and presence. Because bear in mind, even one good chair will always look better than four plastic chairs. Number 3. Visible cables. Let me repeat this because it's that important. Visible cables, zero design intention. You can have a beautiful room, great furniture, perfect colors, and the moment cables start running everywhere, the whole space feels unfinished, like you stopped halfway through. It's one of those details people don't consciously notice, but they feel it immediately. And those long extension cables stretch across the room. Unfortunately, they are not helping. And honestly, at some point, just throw them away and start fresh. Instead, hide everything. Use cable boxes, wall clips, and proper hidden routing. Keep lines clean, tight, and intentional. Make cables disappear, not become a part of the design. Just bear in mind, this is one of the fastest upgrades you can make. Because the moment the cables are gone, suddenly the whole space feels more expansive and actually finished. Number 4. Bathroom clutters. This one is the design killer. Bathroom clutter, zero sense of calm. You can have a beautiful tiles, a nice vanity, even good lighting. But the moment products start covering every surface, the whole space feels messy and overwhelming. Like the bathroom is working harder than you are. It's one of those things you might get used to, but instantly notice in someone else's home. All these bottles, toothbrushes, random items around the sink. They completely kill the feeling of clean and relaxing space. And let's be honest, if your countertop looks like a mini supermarket, it's time to do something about it. At some point, just throw away what you don't use. Then start hiding everything. Use drawers, organizers, trays, and clothes storage. Keep only the essentials visible, and even those should look intentional, not accidental. Because the moment the clutter is gone, your bathroom doesn't just look cleaner, it feels like a completely different space. Number 5. Fake plants. As I am always mentioning, fake plants that look fake equals instant design downgrade. You can have beautiful design space, great furniture, perfect lighting. But the moment you add a cheap looking artificial plant, the illusion breaks immediately. The room stops feeling real. It's one of those details people don't always point out, but they feel it right away. Because instead of adding life, those shiny plastic leaves and unnatural colors do the opposite. They make the space feel staged, almost like a waiting room pretending to be a home. And if your plant looks like it came free with a coffee table, unfortunately, it's not helping. At some point, just throw them away. Either go for real plants, even something simple and low maintenance, or invest in high quality artificial ones that actually look convincing. Because the moment your greenery looks real, your entire space instantly feels more alive, more natural, and much more expensive. Number 6. Overcrowded walls. First of all, walls are not storage, they are visual space. And the moment you start filling every inch of them, frames, shelves, random decor, the room begins to feel heavy, not designed, just busy. It's a very common mistake. People think adding more will make the space feel richer and more interesting. But in reality, it does it opposite. Too many things competing for attention removes focus. It removes calm, and slowly it removes any sense of luxury. And bear in mind, if your wall looks like a gallery that got a little too excited, it's time to calm it down. At some point, just throw some of it away. And I am very serious on this. Or at least take half of it down and see how it feels. Because strong design isn't about filling space, it's about controlling it. Give your walls some breathing room. Let one or two pieces stand out, instead of 10 trying to shout out at the same time. Because the moment your walls can breathe, your whole room feels lighter, cleaner, and a lot of expensive. Number 7. Temporary items that became permanent. I know this feeling. You all bring things into our homes just for now. An extra plastic chair, a simple extension cable, or a box. We will deal it with later. The problem is later never comes. Over time, these temporary pieces quietly become part of the space, and without realizing it, your home starts to feel unplanned and unfortunately a little bit slightly off. Nothing looks completely wrong, but nothing feels fully right either. If something has been there for a month, it's no longer temporary. It's just lowering the overall quality of your space. So my advice, clear it out or replace it with something intentional. Because well-designed home isn't about just something yet. It's about something what you choose to keep. So let's wrap it up. Look around your home right now. I guarantee that there are at least 3 or 5 things from this list quietly holding your space back. Not because they are terrible, but because they simply don't belong anymore. And the moment you remove them, I believe something will shift. Your home feels cleaner and feels bigger. And believe me, without spending a dollar, it feels like more expensive. That's the power of good design. It's not about adding more. It's about removing what doesn't deserve to stay. So now I am curious. What is the first thing you are throwing away after this video? Please drop in the comments. I will read and reply every single one. And if this made you see your space differently, It's time to subscribe to the Designerist because once you start noticing these things, you can't unsee them. So, see you in the next video. Until then, please stay safe.